Need a quick and easy autumn project? In this video I will show you how to make these simple twine pumpkins. You will need some twine, a pair of scissors, a glue gun with glue sticks, and some twigs or some cinnamon sticks. First you'll need to cut a 15cm piece of twine. Leave that to one side for later. Then you're going to take the end of your twine and you're going to wrap it around 2 fingers 20 times. Then trim off the excess. Carefully remove the wrapped twine from your fingers. And then taking the 15cm piece of twine, you're going to slide it through the centre of the wrapped piece and you're going to tie a very tight double knot. Trim off any excess tails. I then repeat this technique again for the second time. You can do as many wraps as you want to make a bigger pumpkin. Once you have all of your wrap pieces tightly done up, then you're going to take another 15cm piece of twine and you're going to slide it through the centre of all of your wrapped pieces. Again, you're going to make a tight double knot. Trim off any excess tails and then you can move around your wraps to start getting that pumpkin shape. Once you're happy with your pumpkin shape, we're then going to get our twigs and we need to stick them down to make a stem. So pick out the twig or cinnamon stick that you want to use and pop your glue gun on. You're then going to put just a dab of hot glue on the end of your twig and you're going to stick it on the top of the pumpkin. And there you have your simple, quick twine pumpkin. Now you can do this in different sizes by wrapping around more fingers, and also you can do them in different materials as well. So I would say have a play around, have an experiment, because these are really quick and simple and they look super cute as well. These will look perfect as table decorations, to pop on a shelf or mantel, or you can even stick them to a wreath. For more quick autumn how-to videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.